Hello and welcome back to Angela Fashion and Lifestyle Over 50 with me, Angela. In this fashion styling edition, I am delighted to announce I am collaborating again with Firmoo glasses. Now, the nice people over at Firmoo sent me some glasses. I selected what I like, and I'm going to show you those glasses. And I'm going to style them with some outfits to show you just how versatile they are. Now remember, they have a wide assortment of glasses over on their site, and links will be listed below in the description along with the discount code. Now, again, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. I do fashion and lifestyle over 50, although all are welcome. So let's get started. Are you looking for affordable, stylish, practical, and absolutely unforgettable gifts not only for your loved ones, but for yourself? Let me introduce you to Firmoo glasses. My first selection are these oversized cat-eye frame, simple but chic glasses in animal print. And next are these sunglasses in black, modern, minimalist design, perfect for every day. Thank you so much for tuning in to Angela Fashion and Lifestyle Over 50 with me, Angela. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, thank you to Firmoo for partnering with me again. Remember, in the description below this video, I will have links. I also have a discount code, so please use this discount code at firmoo.com. And remember, they have a wide assortment of amazing glasses that you can choose from. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.